In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name on Hostinger. This can be an important task if you're thinking of rebranding your website, switching to a more memorable domain, or simply correcting an existing one. Sometimes, your original choice might no longer represent your site's content or goals, and a new domain can breathe fresh life into your online presence. So, let's get started. First, let's ensure you're logged into your Hostinger account. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're using the correct login details to avoid any accidental access issues. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the Control Panel. Hostinger's Control Panel, typically known as hPanel, is where you'll find all the tools you need for managing your website and domain settings. Now, go to the Domains section of hPanel. This area is crucial as it houses all things related to your domain, from DNS configurations to domain transfers. Once you're there, look for the Transfers or Domain Settings option, which will guide you towards your settings and configurations. As this can sometimes be a bit tricky, take your time here to ensure you're not missing anything vital. Following this, identify the domain you want to change. Make sure that it's the correct one, as altering the wrong domain can lead to unexpected downtimes or complications with the wrong website. Once you've identified it, select the option to modify or change the domain. Depending on your current setup, there may be a button or link explicitly titled Change Domain Name. At this stage, you'll be required to enter the new domain name you're considering. When picking a new domain, keep in mind that it should be easy to spell, pronounce, and remember it's best if it reflects your brand or the nature of your website. Also, double-check the availability of this new domain, ensuring it's not already taken. Hostinger has built-in tools that can assist with verifying domain availability. After inputting the new domain, follow through with any additional confirmation prompts that Hostinger provides. These usually include accepting any terms of service or agreements related to domain changes. Once confirmed, Hostinger will initiate the domain change process. This could take a short while as the new domain settings propagate through the system. Typically, propagation might take up to 24 to 48 hours, so don't worry if you don't see changes immediately. Finally, it's a good idea to inspect your website once the domain change is complete. Check all pages, links, and any functional elements of your website to ensure they're all working correctly under the new domain. It's also prudent to update any references to your old domain in marketing materials, online directories, or anywhere it appears across the web. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to change your domain name on Hostinger.